Okay, we are doing practice set 1.1 in which we have done till question number 4. Okay, today we are going to start from question number 5. Read it. Write the following sets using rule method. Okay, in question number 5 we have given the some sets, okay, to which we have to convert into the rule method. Okay, let's read first question. What is given here? A is equal to curly bracket 1 4 9 16 something something. So okay, how will we read as? A is the set of 1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81 100. What are they? They are square numbers. Okay, and as we are able to see, these all are the perfectly square number. Okay, so we can say that A is the set of perfect square number. Okay, so we write as A is equal to, in curly bracket, as we know, for converting into the rule method for means that set builder form. Okay, for convert into the set builder form or rule method, we consider always a variable which denotes that sets. Okay, so here I am considering x. A is equal to curly bracket x, and these standing lines is called as this, such that A is equal to, A is a set of x such that x is a set of listen, here we will not write set. Okay, so how will we write? A is equal to, A is a set of x such that x is a, and what are these number? What are these number? These number are perfect square number. So we will write A is a set of x such that x is a perfect square number. Okay, so we wrote that A is a set of x such that x is a perfect square number. Okay, our job has been done, but here is some condition. Perfect square number starts from 1 and it goes on infinity. So that's why we have to give a range. Okay, because in our question, given question in roster form, there is a limitation. Okay, that perfect square number starts from 1 and end till 100. Okay, so we have to write here limitation. If we are not writing limitation, then our answer will be wrong. So we will write as A is a set of x such that x is a perfect square number, and we will write here limitation means range. Okay, x, so we will write as less than equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, x starts from where to where? X starts from 1. Okay, and we have considered, so that's why we put here equal to sign. Okay, x starts from 1 and ends till 100, so that's why we put here equal to sign. Then our question number 1 finished. Okay, we have given in roster form and we have to convert into the rule method, means set builder form. Okay, in second question, what is given here? B is equal to 6 12 18 24 30 36 42 40 48. Okay, here as we are noticed, okay, as we are noticing here all the numbers are the multiple of 6. That 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36. All the numbers are multiples of 6. So here we will write B is equal to, okay, we have to consider one variable. Here in first question we have considered x, so here we will consider y. Okay, B is a set of y such that y is multiple of 6. Okay, we done our job, yes or not? No. Why? Because we wrote here B is a set of y such that y is a multiple of 6, but we have to give range, because in our roster form question, in the question roster form is given, in that we have given limitation. Okay, it means that there is given us a range. So that's why in set builder form we have to give range. Okay, So B is a set of Y such that Y is a multiple of 6, but multiple of 6, but from where to where we have to write that. It starts from 6, okay, and it ends till 48. We can write as we wrote in the first answer, in the first question, we can write like that, or we can write in another method. Okay, so we can write that B is the set of Y such that Y is a multiple of 6 less than 50, because there is no any number in the set which is greater than 50. Okay, so we can write like that, or we can write like in the first question we have written that we can give here a range. Okay, but it is easy method to write the sets in the set builder form. Okay, so we will write like that. In the third question, what is given here? C is equal to SMILE. SMILE. What does it make? As we are noticing here, it looks like it is the word of smile. Okay, it is a letters of word smile. Okay, it is looking like that. So we will write as C is equal to in curly brackets. Okay, we have to consider a variable. We have considered X and Y, so we will consider here Z. So we will read as C is a set of Z such that Z is a letter in the word smile. Okay, have we done our job here in question number 3? In question number 1 and 2 we gave here range. Okay, but in question number 3 we did not we are not introducing here range. Why? Because we all know that in word smile there are only 5 alphabets. Okay, not more than 5 or not less than 5. Okay, so we will not denote here range. Okay, when we have to describe here range, when there is a limitation. Okay, here when there is limitation means that it can be more than that, so we will apply range. Okay, we need not to apply range, because we all know that the word smile contains 5 alphabets, not more than 5 alphabets, not less than 5 alphabets. Okay, and in question number 1 there is a perfect square number which can be goes on infinity. Okay, as well as in question number 2 also multiple of 6 there are infinity. Okay, but alphabets in smile not infinity, that is limited, so that's why we will not write here range. Okay, let's move on. Question number 4, what is given here? As we are able to see, D is a set of Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What is this? Days of week or month of year? Days of week. Okay, so we will write as, we have to consider any variable here. X, Y and Z we have considered, so here we will consider, yes, any of the we are considering A. Okay, D is equal to, D is a set of A such that A. Okay, D is the set of A such that A is a day in a week. So again question arises that here also we need not to apply range. Yes, because we all know that the week contains 7 days, not more than 7 days and not less than 7 days, so that's why we will not apply a range. Okay, when we have to apply, when there is infinity terms come, okay, which cannot be end here, but we know that the week contains 7 days, so that's why we will not apply here any of the range. Okay, any of the limitation. Next, read question number 5. What is given here? X is a set of alphabets A, E, T. Okay, so we will write as X is equal to, here we have given A, so here we have we can take any of the variables from A to Z except these 4 alphabets. Okay, so here we are writing M. X is a set of M such that M. Okay, M such that M. After that is a letter in the word. Okay, listen here. These all are the letters as we know. Okay, A, E, T. Okay, by combining these letters, which word will arise? There are two words, E-A-T, eat. Okay, this can be written as eat. Okay, or this can be written as T. So here we can write anything. Okay, we can write eat also and T also. So X is a set of M such that M is a letter in the word T. Okay, so we will write as or, eat. Okay, we can write any of the above, T or eat, because T and eat both letters are A, E, T. So we have completed question number 5 by this question number 5. So we have completed practice set 1.1, and tomorrow there will test for you. You have to do all the questions from question number 1 to question number 5 2 times. Okay, try it by your cell phone. Okay, if you have any doubt, watch the video. Okay, thanks for today.